We will be taking our BlendJets. We're gonna make some smoothies while we're there. Doing a little denim on denim moment. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm currently getting ready to go on a little picnic, my friends and I. You have met them once. There was a date night video that I did with Micah, and at the end all of my friends came and wanted milkshakes. Today we are going on a little picnic. It's me and two of my other friends, Lizzie and Gracie. I think we're just gonna go to like a greenway. We will be taking our BlendJets. We're gonna make some smoothies while we're there. It's gonna be a great time. This is what I'm wearing, just a little black crop top and some jeans. These ones. But I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup. I'm not doing anything crazy. Just a little something. So I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go upstairs and get all of the ingredients together for a picnic. So I'm gonna listen to some tunes and finish getting ready. Ready. I'm gonna wear this with my whitewash jean jacket that I just got from TJ Maxx. Micah's on FaceTime. Say hey. I decided to change. I put on this red shirt. I don't know where it's from because Lizzie gave it to me, and I'm doing a little denim on denim moment. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like it's kind of cute, and I'm just wearing my Air Forces. We are also going to be using this tote bag. It is insulated, so it'll keep everything cold. I'm gonna like put some ice in there because we're gonna have like frozen stuff, and it is also from BlendJet. It's gonna be literally so perfect to have. I'm gonna have two bags. Okay, so the three of us have actually already chosen what smoothies we're gonna make. I used the BlendJet recipe book to choose. So I'm gonna make the mixed berry one, Lizzie is going to make the strawberry banana one, and you can come down, and Gracie's gonna make the orange Julius one. All right, we've got a lot of stuff and we have to make it all fit in here, but some things don't actually need to be cold. We have OJ, we've got some yogurt. I'll show you guys in depth the ingredients when we get there and when we're making the smoothies. It all fits. Okay, we're in the car. Well, it's recording. Yeah. We're still waiting for Gracie. She's taking a long time, per usual. But this is Lizzie. You guys have kind of met her in the date video when everyone wanted milkshakes. The plan was to take like our lunch and have a little picnic moment. And we still will, but we're not bringing our lunch because that's just too much. So we're gonna stop at a gas station. We're gonna get like little snack type items because the smoothies will probably fill us up somewhat at least. It's about time. Jeez. Yeah, well, hey.
Well, hey. So sorry.
My hair is so staticky. Staticky. Gracie, say hey to the vlog.
Hey.
Gracie and Lizzie just went into the gas station. The parking spots are weird. I've never seen like parallel parking spots at a gas station. So I'm staying in the car. I also didn't really need anything. I brought some crackers, but I'll probably eat more when I get home. I just didn't want to bring like my entire kitchen to the picnic. So what'd you guys get? Goldfish. And I got a granola. I got that like Velveeta thing because I have no food. I haven't got grocery shopping yet. We just ate some snacks and now we're gonna make our smoothies. So, get out everything. We have so much stuff in here. We all have our BlendJets. This one's Gracie's. Got syrup. I brought syrup. Mm-hmm. Yes, syrup. It's syrup. I mean, it's just syrup. I brought measuring just in case.
So we're on a cooking show.
So yeah,
we are all rich.
I didn't bring the book, but I took pictures of each recipe. Okay, but all of the ingredients we have are syrup, oats, vanilla extract. Yours said coconut yogurt or yogurt of your choice, so I got a coconut and a peach.
Are you letting me choose? So
yeah.
so sweet.
Oh,
I know,
wow.
I'm just so nice.
Okay, I have mine.
This berry medley.
It's a song.
A mixed fruit one. Frozen bananas. Like putting everything in front of your face. The milk. And orange juice. And I think that's it. So let's get cracking.
Give me the milk.
I think yours said 1 cup. I'm pretty sure mine is self-explanatory because I've made the mixed berry one before. Oh wow,
so
it's
cold.
kind of cold now.
Okay.
It was literally just warm and the sun went away and now it's kind of cold.
But we're pushing through.
We're
Fighting through.
So like you're taking all my berries.
It's a very
It calls for 3/4 cup, so
I'm supposed to use a cup of milk,
half of a banana.
but I've just done it so much that I feel like I know what a cup looks like now. I should have put the bananas.
Should have put the banana.
Should have put them first.
Now the bananas.
I'm going.
Have it.
Here I go. I'm scared. What do
Here
I
I
do?
go.
It goes for
I'm
20
so
seconds
scared.
and turns off itself.
Oh wow, it looks so good.
That looks cool. Crazy.
Maple syrup.
Time for me to go.
Way ahead of you.
Here's mine. Here, get in it. It's really
Wait!
cute. It's cute, guys.
I didn't know I don't like cute. Oh, that is
Oh,
cute.
it is cute.
I'm hot.
Alright. Alright, I'm doing mine. Giving you guys a close up. So mine's the prettiest. How is it?
Oh wow.
It's good?
It's very good.
Success, ladies. Yay!
Yum.
Oh wow.
Yum, yum, yum.
Honestly, even though this is for their channel, I feel like every time I actually follow their recipes, they're so much better than when I just like put whatever.
I never know how to make smoothies. I'm always just like,
Yeah, same. And then it
I always
really
get
doesn't
confused
taste
of what I should use for like the binding part. Like I'm like, should I use yogurt or milk? It's just good. I love that.
The maple syrup really gives it something a little extra.
ooh.
Nice. Pretty good.
Good.
I just don't think the coconut would have been it. I don't like
yeah.
coconut.
Oh, that's
I'm
good.
not a huge fan of coconut.
Great
Oh,
job,
yum,
ladies.
guys. Guys, good job.
We're all COVID free. Don't worry.
And vaccinated.
Oh yeah, we're also vaccinated. We're all about to get freezing.
Guys, get ready because
Get
it's
ready.
happening. It will happen.
We need to take these to the beach and make them on. Oh wow.
Mhm.
I mean, I'm gonna
Filming
start
the whole
drinking
thing.
smoothies all the
I
time
know,
now.
this is so good.
I've just drank it so fast.
Yeah.
And it's healthy.
Thanks, Blend.
Thanks.
That sounded so
like an ad. It's just so ad like.
All opinions are true
Mm-hmm.
and real. I stopped filming and you're like,
You should make bloopers at the end of us being like,
how was it, ladies?
So good.
It actually will be really nice to take these to the beach.
Oh wow. Okay. Yum.
Set the scene.
We're on the beach. We have like pineapple in a cooler, and we just put it in here. Flushed it. But
Just the pineapple.
no other stuff.
A little treat for our after ocean shenanigans. We're in the car now, about to go back home because we just got really cold. Did everyone have a good time?
Yep.
Everyone enjoy your smoothies?
Yep. We're making them all week. All week long. Every
All
meal.
week.
Every meal.
BlendJet for every meal.
BlendJet every meal.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it, subscribe to both BlendJet and my channel, and
my channel.
everyone.
We all have
We
channels.
all are YouTubers.
That's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
These dumb trucks don't stop.
Can you let your baby be my girl?
Please say a command.
Bluetooth audio.
Wow, goldfish are amazing.
Cheese. Look here. Oh, well, I have sunglasses. Cool.
All right. Wait. I mean.
Oh, I know it. I know it.
You know it.